Hi, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be drawing stumbles from Stumble Guys. Thanks for the suggestion. I hope you can follow along and have some fun. Let's draw. Let's start Stumbles with his head shape. So just above the middle of the page, I'm going to start with a shape like this for his head. And he's got his hat that comes off there. So I'm going to construct him up first. He's a bit like Clown Bozo, with the hair coming on the side there, and the hair sort of comes in behind his hat. Now his hat is like a birthday cake, so we've got a first layer of the cake coming up and around like this, up and around. Then we've got another layer of the cake coming in. This comes up and around with another piece here like this. You see a little bit of the top of that. This is the top of this part of the cake. So that's the front edge, that's the top, that's the underneath front edge. You see a little bit of the top of that, and then we have another piece here which you sort of see the front edge, the underneath side there, and then we've got like a little candle coming out from here. 1, 2, and a few bits and pieces like so. Now we've got his big nose, and it's slightly offset center because he's looking this way. Then his eye, his other eye. That's where his cheeks are going to be, pink cheeks. Now he's got looks like a bib on. It's sort of shaped like this. Now he's got this big cherry on top, which comes out like so. And then this is like a big cake. It's like a cake car by the looks of this. And we've got this part here. And then we've got the front of the cake coming down here. And it kicks back like this on the side, so it comes around like that. Another line there. Let's draw his arm. So his arm comes down, and in there you see a little bit of his sleeve. Same on this side, a little bit of his sleeve. He must have like a steering wheel in behind there. Then it comes up and around. This is his other arm. Now his leg is in the way, so his legs are sticking out here. Shoe, big shape like this for his shoe. The front of his shoe that hits into here like that. His other shoe you see side on, and then you see the bottom of it like that. Then he comes across. This is his leg. So he's got his hands on the steering wheel and his legs out to the side. Just going to bring this up a little bit. Yep, and then this finishes just here. Comes across, down, and then there's this pink bit, which looks like I'm assuming it's some sort of back area of the vehicle, because as it comes up and around and then in behind there. That's like the brace of his outfit, and he should have another one just in here. Brace. I'll bring that out a little bit further. Choosing a 0.5 to refine him up. So start with the nose, big circle. Go around him in a 1.0.